Car needs to be cleaned. There's the tire. Brand new tire that just got replaced. Wow. Thanks, Lewis. Firebird up there. My C8 is back in the garage. I washed my BMW. It's getting a bit older, but in great shape still. So this back tire here has been replaced. Cost me $909 to get it replaced and installed. Yeah, I think it was a freak accident. Well, obviously it was some nails, but a little bit of a hard pill to swallow. Gonna bring the Corvette, the C8, to a car show on Monday at the local dealership. They're having a big Corvette show. There's going to be a whole range of Corvettes from C1 all the way to the current C8. We're going to do a cold start. You could look at the new exhaust tips. These are the new blackouts. You can see that the tailpipe on the outside is a bit wider. I have no idea if these exhaust tips are actually louder. They're probably the same, but the sound for me is quite good. Obviously it's not as loud as aftermarket, but let's do a cold start and let's see what it sounds like. So I'm still dealing with this here, carbon fiber. That's gonna get resolved soon. And the other issue I've had, that's issue number 1. The other one is this right here. That is apparently has to do with the front light. I guess there's been some movement on it, road vibration, and as a result, it you can see that gap in the fenders there. It's item number 2. I think things happen in threes. And then the other one was my back rim, oops, wheel. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I only got to use that beautiful Michelin for about 10 days. Cost me $909. The damage, or the nail, was right in this area, so it was too close to the sidewall, and unfortunately wasn't repairable. Picked up these carbon fiber mirror caps from Paragon, and they're super light, and I don't think the install should be too long, hopefully. I'll just show you one of them. So here's the product itself. And if you actually look here, with my carbon fiber high wing, there's similarities quite good, so it's going to blend in pretty nice. Okay, well, let's take a quick look at what's in the box. There's two mirror caps, and it comes with two of these, the double-sided 3M, and it also comes with this cleaning wipe right there. So yeah, let's see how this just fits. Let's see how this fits on. So here's the mirror itself. Super lightweight. So let's see how it fits on the mirror. Oh yeah. Like the gaps here. Oh wow. Can you show over here? Like the gaps are actually quite, yeah, so you can't see any of the gray color, so it's quite decent. So the 3M tape is gonna hold it all intact. Okay, next step, let's clean up the mirrors and prep it. Okay, so here's, I'm just gonna do the other mirror now, even though I'm just gonna let it dry out. So let's clean up this one. Let's just quickly clean it. Pretty basic. The temperature is like 25 degrees here today in Canada, which is probably like 80 degrees Fahrenheit, something in that ballpark. So it's pretty warm. I'm just going to install the 3M tape next. And it should be ready for an install. Okay, this will be dry by the time we get to it. Now we're gonna put on the 3M tape, which is the next part. And so it comes with two of them. Looks like there's quite a bit. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need some scissors. Okay, here, so we already started putting the 3M on, and seems to be a good bond. Now this one here, yeah, so here it is. See, I've started to put some 3M. You gotta really squeeze it down. Okay, so what I've done is I installed the 3M tape. So I'm just gonna, so these ones I'm going to take, these ones, they're gonna be fully off. And so the one that I'm leaving is the front. So this will be slightly sticking out like that. So I have some ability to move it around if it's not in the right spot, but basically that's all I'm using. The one thing I will say is that when I installed the 3M, I pushed down hard on the 3M tape. And then when I went to peel this off, it was quite hard. So you almost want to peel off a little piece and then, you know, really press hard Okay, let's go install it. Okay, so now we're going to attempt to install it. So that's basically all the tape I've used right in there. And this is the one at the front, which I'm going to peel off. So let's see what happens. It's not quite. Okay. Seems like a way better bond. Oh geez. Gotta get that out. Okay, I'll have to work that out. Yeah, you gotta really, the 3M definitely bonds quickly. I'm just trying to keep some pressure on it, but I mean overall I think it worked out quite well. You know, it's nice and clean. You could look over here as well. It went on quite nice. So we're just gonna let it sit for a while and we're gonna we're gonna install the next one. Okay, this is the second mirror cap, so I've prepped it. Yes, definitely most of the time is putting the 3M tape on. Okay, so we're gonna put on the second mirror cap. The first one is on, so I'm gonna try to focus on getting it on here first a bit. Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh,
It's okay. Hopefully the power mirrors. Okay, let's get this off. Okay.
that looks good.
You gotta get this little piece of tape in there out. I think this one went on way easier. Definitely gotta press and hold it for a bit. I kind of learned how to install it because based on the other one first, but this corner here comes into play a bit. But overall, I mean, they went in pretty good. Okay, the carbon fiber mirrors caps are all done. And yeah, they turned out really nice. Here's the finished product. I would say they're fairly easy to install. You know, a little bit finicky on this corner when you're trying to, like on this corner right here, because when you put it on, you have to put this piece on first, and you really gotta stretch it out here. Because the 3M tape really comes into play there, but I mean overall I'm pretty satisfied, and yeah, it's a pretty straightforward install, and it definitely matches well with my 5VM carbon fiber splitter. There's the mirrors, carbon fiber. There's a bit of sun. The side skirts, and of course the high wing. So, and I think overall the car is looking really nice, exactly the way I visualized it. rims, the Vossen HF5. So everything's come together really nicely. And of course, I got the 70th year of Corvette production plate, which is nice. Very nice. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.